Goodbye Red Tea and welcome to SS Multimedia. Today we're going to be using compatible numbers to estimate. So let's get to it. Objective. In today's lesson we will learn how to use compatible numbers to estimate. Now I'm going to show you how. But first, what are compatible numbers? So compatible numbers are numbers that are easy to add, subtract, multiply, and divide. But we're just going to do addition and subtractions. And they're going to be easy ones, not very hard ones, since this video is for beginners. So you see we have two sections. The normal numbers and compatible numbers. So we first have to start with normal numbers. So we're going to do an addition first. So it's 36 plus 27. And so let's add it. So 6 plus 7 is 13. So we put 3 here and 1 on top of the 3. And then 1 plus 3 is 4. And 4 plus 2 is 6. So it's 63. And now we're going to do it in compatible numbers. So basically, in order to make these two numbers compatible numbers, we need to find, so basically these are compatible numbers, like 15, 20, 30, 15, it's like 13, 25, 35, 40, 45, and one that has 0 or 5 in the end of them. So, and the closest number to 36 is 35. So we put 35 here. Plus, then the closest number to 27 is 25. So we put 25. And this makes it much easier. So all of you know that 5 plus 5 is 10. So we put 0 here and 1 on top of here. And then 1 plus 3 is 4. Then 4 plus 2 is 6. So you see this? It's so close to it. So that is correct. So now I'm going to try in a subtraction now. Let me just erase all this. Now, let's try the subtraction. Let's do it. So I'll do 56 minus 32. So let's subtract. So 6 minus 2 is 4. So we put 4 right here. And 5 minus 3 is 2. So we put 2 right here, and the answer is 24. Now let's keep so the closest number to 56 is 55, of course. So let's put 55 right here. Minus So the closest number to 32 is 30. So we put 30 here. Now, so 5 minus 0 is 5 because there's nothing to subtract it from. Then now it's 5 minus 3 is 2. So we put this. And it's 25. You see, it's really close. That's correct. And now I'm going to do what if the numbers had what if the normal numbers had the 5 in the end? Or 0 in the end. So I'll do an addition. 25 plus 30. I think so. So 5 plus 0 is 5. 2 plus 3 is 5. Another. Put 5 like this. And if it's like these, the compatible numbers are the same. And so the closest number, well, there's no other one. It's itself. I know what you think. Why don't we just put maybe 20? Well, it's because, remember what I told, it's basically with the 5 in the end, 0. At compatible numbers with 5 or 0 in the end of them. So and 3, it's 33 also. So it's, and also, so of course, so 5 plus 0 is 5, and 2 plus 3 is 5. So it's basically the same. So, actually, so I hope, so now we're going to the problems. So these are the problems we will be doing. So this arrow right here indicates that we're going to put the compatible numbers right here. And I kept 3 because I thought 3 was a good number to start with. And these are the problems I will be doing and showing you. So let's just get to it. So 3 plus 7 is 10. So we put 0 right here and 1 on the top. So 1 plus 4 is 5. 5 plus 5 is 100. So we put 100 like this. The nearest number to 43 is 45. So we put 45 like this. Then the closest number to 57 is 55. So we put like this. 55. Like this. So 5 plus 5 is 10. Put 10 like this. Put 1 on top, and 1 plus 4 is 5. And 5 plus 5 is 100. So we put 100 like this. So basically compatible numbers can have the same answer as the normal numbers, or they can be close to them. That's how it works. And these follow no rules. Be sure to remember that. 56 minus 45. So the closest number to 56 is 60s. Oh, just kidding, it's 55. So 55 like this. 5 minus the closest number to 45. Well, since it's 45, it's just itself 45. And so now we have to subtract it. So 5 minus 5 is 0. So we put 0 here. And 5 minus 4 is 1. So the answer is 10. I'm so sorry, I forgot to do this. So 6 minus 5 is 1. And of course, so 5 minus 4 is 1. So it is very close to 11. Now we're going to do the last problem. So 88 plus 73. So 8 plus 3 is 11. So we put 1 here and 1 here. And so 1 plus 9, and then 1 plus 8 is 9. And then 9 plus 7 is 16, so it's 161. And now we have to convert this into compatible numbers. So the closest number to 88 is 90. So we'll put 90 like right here. Plus, the closest number to 73 is 70. So this, that, and 0. So 0 plus 0 is 0. And 9 plus 7 is 16. So the answer is 160. And of course, it is really close to 161. And these are the problems you will be doing. So pause the video right now and try to answer all these problems. And after you're done doing all these questions, resume the video after that. And when you resume the video, I will show you how to do it. So now pause the video. Okay, so you resumed it right now. Now let's see if your answers are correct. So 5, so it's 25 plus 37. 5 plus 7 is 12. So we put 2 here and 1 here. 1 plus 2 is 3. And 3 plus 3 is 6. So the answer is 62. So now we're going to do this. So let's turn into compatible numbers. So this is 25, since it has 5 in the end. We can just put 25 like this. And now plus 37. The closest number to 37 is 35. Put 35 here and plus a little bit here. And we have to add them. So 5 plus 5 is 10. So we put 10 right here. So put top of here. 1 plus 2 is 3. And 3 plus 3 is 6. So the answer is 60, and it's really close to 62. Though it's not 1 behind it. And 35, I'm just getting 37 minus 26. Let's do it. So 7 minus 6 is 1. we put 1 like this. 1 right here, and 1 right here, and 3 minus 2 is 1. So we put 1, and the answer is 11. So let's go turn to compatible numbers. Closest number to 37 is 35. So write 35 down here, right here. And the closest number to 26 is 25. So we put 25. Wait, that was by mistake. Okay, no. Fixed. And then 25. So it's 35 minus 25. So let's do it. 5 minus 5 is 10. So just kidding. It's 0. So we put 0 right here. And 3 minus 2 is 1. So the answer is 10. It's super close to 11. 10 is really close to 11. Now let's do 30 plus 18. So 0 plus 8 is 8. And in additions, if there's a 0 on top of it, it doesn't matter. You can just put 8 on the bottom. But subtractions, they're totally different. But don't worry, I'll tell you in a different video. So, let's do it. So you have 8 right here, and 3 plus 1 is 4. So we put here, and the answer is 48. And now let's turn to compatible numbers. So of course, since the 30 is just, there's a 0 behind it, we can just put 30. And plus the closest number to 18 is 20. 20 like this. So 0 plus 0 is 0. And 3 plus 2 is 5. So the answer is 50. And it's really close to 48. And so everyone, if you were able to do all these correct, good for you. You're a very smart person. And those who didn't do it all correctly, or did not do all correctly, don't worry. That you'll still have a lot of potential in you. And if you keep trying, you'll be able to do it correctly. And that's more important than being correct. And so like the video, subscribe, and share this video with your friends, just so that this will help them with estimation on compatible numbers. And now you know use these skills to help you in your future tests, or maybe work that your teachers have given you. And bye, and I hope you enjoyed the video.